Welcome Genetic Teacher Channel. Today, we are talking about Bunsen burner, which is work by mixing gas and air, in control manner, by converting flame to red, then yellow and blue, as oxygen increases, as showed in the next slide. In the same line, Bunsen burner parts are base, needle valve, gas inlet, gas control, spud, siding collar, airport, or air hole, and burner tube. As we showed, there are 4 colors of flames, related Bunsen burner. The first flame has yellow color, when the air hole of Bunsen burner, closed, while the second flame has orange color, when the air hole of Bunsen burner, slightly open, and the third flame has purple color, when the air hole of Bunsen burner, half open, and finally the fourth flame has blue color, when the air hole of Bunsen burner, fully open. And to work with Bunsen burner, for any assay or experiment, firstly, close air hole, then, light match to get fire. After that, hold match fire, above Bunsen burner, then turn on gas tap, and finally, open air hole, to get blue flame, for working, as viewed in the figure inside this slide. And this slide mentioned different ways of Bunsen burner uses. So, the purposes and applications of Bunsen burners are 1. Loops and needles sterilization, 2. Flame vessel's mouth, during inoculation, 3. Dry salts, 4. Identify water crystallization, and finally 5. Determine melting point, as exhibited in the next slide. Thanks for your attention. Please like and share our videos, and subscribe Genetic Teacher Channel, and for any question, please comment us.